Hey there, welcome back to PMN Online. Today I will walk you through how to change Google Drive language. Have you ever found yourself needing to switch the language settings on your Google Drive? Whether it's for convenience, language practice, or simply personal preference, changing the language can greatly enhance your user experience. Not only does it make navigation easier, but it also allows for better collaboration when sharing documents with others who speak different languages. In this video, we will guide you through each step to make this transition smooth and effortless. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, head over to Google Drive. You can easily do this by typing in the URL drive.google.com directly into the browser search bar. Alternatively, if you have Google Drive bookmarked, simply click on that bookmark for quick access. Once you've arrived at the Google Drive homepage, take a moment to get comfortable with the interface. If you're not entirely familiar with it, don't worry. It's designed to be user-friendly. Familiarizing yourself with the layout can really improve your overall experience and make navigation a breeze. Now, look to the upper right corner of the page where you'll find the settings icon. This icon resembles a small gear. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu filled with various options to customize your Google Drive experience. Go ahead and click on Settings, which is typically positioned near the top of the drop-down list. Doing so will take you to the main settings menu, where you can tailor different aspects of Google Drive according to your preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you spot an option labeled something like Change Language Settings. This is a crucial step because it directly leads you to modify the current language settings of Google Drive. Next, you'll see a pencil icon, a universal symbol for editing. Click on this icon, and you'll enter the language settings section. Here, you can choose the language that best suits your needs. You have two options. You can either type in the name of the language you're searching for in the search bar to find it quickly, or if you prefer, you can scroll through the extensive list of available languages. This list offers a wide variety of languages, accommodating users from all around the globe. Take your time to select the language you desire. Once you've made your choice, Google Drive will prompt you to confirm your selection. Make sure to do this to finalize the change. Your interface will soon reflect the new language setting, so give it a moment to fully adjust. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language in Google Drive. Remember, you can repeat these steps whenever you need to switch languages again. It's a simple process, but it can make a significant difference, especially when sharing documents with colleagues or friends who speak different languages. And that wraps it up. If how to change Google Drive language feels easier now, subscribe to our channel PMN Online, because plenty more guides are on the way.